So today I want to take you through a super quick demo of the OpenAPI ChatGPT application that you've surely heard about on the news, whether it's cheating students or chatbots or how it's going to change the world, positive, negative. Microsoft's going to invest 10 billion for Office applications, and then scary things that it does. Um, I like to think about it in a little more fun atmosphere. And so I put together a little demo to show you the power of ChatGPT and what you can do with it um, if you just have a little creativity. So here we go. So I know that was kind of an odd intro, but stick with me. So first thing we're going to do is go to openapi.com, and up at the top there's a try button. Um, if you haven't created an account, you need to sign up, but I'm going to assume you've gone through this. And I'm going to log in. Do the old I'm not a robot thing, find the stairs, all that fun stuff that we all have to do on certain websites. Um, and then once you are logged in, now the fun begins. So get through these nexts. And essentially what you do is you write a question or tell it what you want with as much detail as possible so that you get the output that you're looking for, whether it's a story, whatever. So here, I'm going to goof around with one. Write a 250-word story about the Trump presidency in the tone of William Shakespeare. And this is what makes it so much fun. So I'm not going to speed this up. You're going to watch it in real time. So artificial intelligence is writing this in real time based on what it knows of Donald Trump's presidency and how William Shakespeare wrote his books, plays, stories, whatnot. And I'm going to show you a second one here in a minute. And you can see I'm not a Shakespeare aficionado by any means, but it does appear to be in his form. So the fun thing about ChatGPT is if you don't like it, at the bottom, you can regenerate the response. And it'll basically go through the same process and write it completely different. And again, I am not speeding this up in any way. It's writing it in real time. And you get a pretty creative output in the tone of William Shakespeare. And you can do this with anything, any question, any concept you can think of, just let your creativity fly. You'll be amazed at what you can come up with ChatGPT. And right now it's free. So I'd play with it. So why don't we let Siri read us this story?
The stage is set, the people's choice. A man of wealth, a man of voice. With hair of gold, and words so bold. He takes the stage, to claim his hold. Make America great, he doth proclaim. We'll build a wall, and bear no shame. With promises of wealth and might. He marches on to win the fight. But as the months do pass and fade, his rule doth show a darker shade. 'Twas chaos in the land of free. His rule doth bring no unity. And yet, despite the mounting woes, his followers still raise their foes. For he doth speak to them of hope, and they doth cling to him like robe. But when the end doth come at last, and he doth leave his throne so fast, the people, they doth wonder why. Their land is torn, their spirits high. For though his reign was but a breath, it left a mark of life and death. And though he's gone, his legacy will be remembered for eternity. So let this be a cautionary tale of how ambition oft doth fail. And let us learn from our past to strive for unity that will forever last.
So whatever your political inclination is, I hope you learned something. I hope you had a little bit of fun. And most of all, I hope you go play with ChatGPT. It really is the future. And we need to learn how to use these tools and not be afraid of them. So thanks for watching. If you have any comments or ideas, throw them down below. Thank you. Oh, and don't forget, if you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you.